I'll be creating this look in this video. To start with, I'm applying some concealer on my eyelids. Next, I'm applying eyeshadow primer. All the products are listed in the description box below. I'm using this shade first. With the help of a pencil brush, I'm creating a fake crease. Next, I'm using this shade as a transition shade. I'm blending this shade above the crease that I created. I'm blending any harsh lines that were created by the first shade that I used. Next, I'm going to cut the crease with the help of a concealer. I'm using a flat brush. Next, I'm using this shade on the middle of my eyelids. On the inner corners, I'm using this highlighter. On the outer corners, I'm using this purple shade. I'm using a small brush for that. Next, I'm applying glitter glue. I'm applying loose glitter. For the eyeliner, I'm using liquid eyeliner. My makeup is almost done, so I'm starting with the base. First, I'm applying some primer. I'm focusing the primer mainly on the T-zone. Next, I'm applying peach color corrector. I'm applying little bit of loose powder on the corrector that I used. Next, I'm applying foundation. I'm going to drag the foundation on my neck area too. Next, I'm highlighting my face. I'm using a cream blush. Next, I'm setting everything with loose powder. Next, I'm contouring my face with powder contour. Next, I'm applying highlighter. With the help of an angular brush, I'm taking this purple shade only till the middle of my lower lash line. Eyebrow filling, mascara and falsies I've done off camera. Next, I'm tightlining my eyes. For the lipstick, I'm using a liquid lipstick. And that's it, that's the final look. Do let me know how you like this video in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.